Okay, so this is Need Articles, Use Online Databases workshop. As I mentioned, my name is Claudia Rivas. I'm one of the full-time librarians here, and you can always contact me with any questions regarding this workshop at crivas@riohondo.edu. So the first thing we're going to discuss is databases versus website searches. So what are the benefits of doing a website search or a Google search? One is that Google is free. Anyone can use it. It's very easy to use. It's user-friendly. It is really great for general information. So for example, when was Mozart born? How long has Bob's Burgers been on TV? Things like that. General information. It can lead to some free academic research, specifically with Google Scholar. Now, some bad things about Google searches or websites for research purposes is that there are no filters or citation tools, which when I show you the database, you'll see are a really huge benefit to using the databases. There is no quality control on these websites. It's open publishing and editing, which means anyone can publish a website. There is no internet police out there monitoring to make sure that this website on Porsches or the common cold is accurate information. There's also a lot of advertising, especially with Google results. A lot of sites are sorted based on sites who have paid to be the first ones to appear in the list of results. So you might not be getting the most relevant sites, but rather those who have paid to be noticed first. There's also a lot of misinformation, or what's otherwise known as fake news. So someone who purposely publishes wrong information. Sometimes it's accidental. People think that they're providing the correct information, but in fact they are not. So because of all of this, you actually have to do more work to determine whether a website is credible and whether the information on the website is reliable.